Hello my lovely friends, it's Christina and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, in this video we're just going to get straight to it, and I'm about to show y'all how I keep my crochet human hair looking like it just came out the pack, even though this hair is over a year old and I have used it I think I've used this hair about 7 to 8 times. So yeah, it is wash day. My hair really needs to be washed. I haven't washed my hair in about 3 to 4 weeks, and I have had this style in for I think a month, a little over a month. So my scalp is extremely dirty, and yeah, we need to wash it. This hair is looking dull. It's tangled, and yeah, it's a hot mess. So yeah, we are now washing our hair so we can look like something. So this style is, I call them Bora Bora braids. Everybody else is calling this type of style miracle knots. Girl, there is no knots in my hair. I fed this hair in. It was called Bora Bora braids before the miracle knot fad came out, so I still call them Bora Bora braids. So anyways, that's what I did. There is no synthetic hair in my hair at all. This is just my regular hair braided up with the crochet pieces fed into my braids. So yeah, once again, I'm just going to show you all how I keep my hair looking good, even though I have had it for over a year. Excuse me, can't talk. So we're just gonna jump right on into it. So basically, this wash day, the beginning of the wash day, is pretty much like the wash day that I did a year ago when I recorded the video showing y'all how I did my island twist wash day. If you hadn't seen that video, I will link it down below. It's pretty much the same, you guys. I am going to focus on my scalp because my scalp is extremely dirty. I'm going to use the little pink scalp scrubber like I did in that video, but a few things are a little different because of the fact there is no synthetic hair in my head, and it's all straight human hair and my hair. So I'm just gonna go in with my first shampoo, and I'm using the Gold series from Pantene. It was all I had on hand. I didn't have anything else, so I'm just going in with that. Like I made mention in that video, I usually use a clarifying shampoo when my scalp is really dirty, but girl hadn't gone to the store, so yeah, we're using what we have. So first shampoo, I just focus on my scalp to make sure I break up all that dirt that's on my scalp, dirt, dandruff. I'm going to get all of that off, get my scalp as clean as possible. I did wash my hair 3 times. The first time, I just focused on getting my scalp clean. The second time, I did focus on still getting my scalp clean because, like I said, I hadn't washed my hair. I think it was about 4 weeks I hadn't washed my hair with this style in, so it was really dirty, and I really needed to get my scalp clean. So first shampoo was focused on getting my scalp clean. The second shampoo was the same. I did not record the second shampoo. This is the third shampoo. So on the last wash, I focus on the hair then. So depending on how many times I wash my hair, the first wash focus on the scalp, last wash is to focus on the actual hair, the actual crochet human hair. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in this wash. You'll see me just making sure that not only am I still getting my roots clean, but also getting the actual hair clean, because I did use some product, and so I just wanted to make sure I got all that product off of the crochet human hair, just like the way we do when we wash our own hair. So I'm gonna let y'all finish watching me do that, and then I will be back to show you where my process has changed a little bit. Okay, y'all, so the hair is clean, curls is looking on point, and now we're about to go to the next step, which is a little different from what I usually do. This time I did use a deep conditioner. I don't usually deep condition my hair when I do a protective style, but I did it this time because there was no synthetic hair in my head, and I did want to put a little extra moisture into it because it was dry. However, I only focused on the part to where my braid ended at. I did not put it all over the hair, just where my braid stopped at. That's where I focused the deep conditioner. And then I didn't even let it sit on there. I just worked it in, and then I rinsed it right on out. That was all I did. So I did just wanted to get a little bit of extra moisture into my hair. Since there was no synthetic hair in my hair, it was easier for me to get to my actual hair. So yeah, that's the only reason why I did put some deep conditioner in my hair this time. So now that we have that rinsed out, I'm just showing you all how the curls is looking. Look at that, y'all. These curls are looking like they just came out of the pack. So all I'm going to do is wring the water out of my hair. I'm going to put it in a ponytail and put it in a bun, and then I'm going to put my turby twist on. And I did let the turby twist in on my hair for a little while after I got out the shower to get as much water out of my hair as possible. So when I got done, I did go cook and eat, and then that also gave the towel time to soak up a lot of the water. So once I show y'all me putting the turby twist on, then yeah, we'll be back and we'll move on into the next section. Okay, y'all, so I am back. It has been a while. Like I said, I did go and cook, and then I ate, so my hair was able to dry a good bit with the turby twist on my hair. So all I'm doing now is I'm just taking down my bun, taking the ponytail out, and then I'm going to show y'all how these curls are looking, because they are looking good, like really, really good. So yeah, so now we're gonna move on to my leave-in. Y'all know I love my Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. I'm just gonna add it in this bottle. I'm gonna put a little bit of water in the bottle and shake it up and just mix it all together. As you can see, it's not much. And I'm just gonna spray this all over my hair, focusing on where my braid is. So I don't too much. I mean, I do spray it on the curly hair, but my main focus for the leave-in conditioner is where my braid is. So where my braid stops at, then that's where I kind of just stop it at. I spray it in, and then all I'm going to do is just work it in really good, spraying it all over my hair, each side, and yeah, just working it in as good as I can. And y'all, I do apologize. I did get some water on my camera, so you probably can see the water spots on the lens. I apologize for that. So once I get all my leave-in conditioner worked in real good, then I section my hair. I part my hair into sections. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I cannot talk. But I part my hair into sections, and then I start with spraying it with a little bit of water, and then I go in with my Tangle Teezer detangling brush, and I start detangling the crochet hair. Yes, I do go all the way up to the top of my braid. I don't just focus on the bottom. I go all the way to the top because the hair is all the way at the top. I just be careful making sure that, I'm not getting my braids caught into the Tangle Teezer. But yeah, so I just detangle the hair really, really good. And then I'm going to go in with my Laude Body mousse. Now, I love this mousse when it comes down to my crochet hair because it gives me definition, but it doesn't make my curls hard, and it's not sticky. I was saying in my past vlog that I like the Dew Mousse, but the Dew Mousse is sticky and it makes the curls extremely hard, and I don't like that. Not for when I'm doing these type of styles. So yeah, Laude Body is my go-to. Gives me soft curls, but also gives me definition. Once I work the mousse in really good, I'll just go back in with the Tangle Teezer and just detangle some more, and look at those curls. They look good. And that's all I do, you guys. This is how I refresh and make sure the curls stay looking good and looking like they just came out of the pack. So all I'm going to do is do this over my entire head, and then once I get finished detangling, putting my mousse in, and working the product in real good, then I will show y'all what my final step is, and this video will be about ready to wrap up. Oh, right quick, I forgot to let y'all know how often I do this maintenance routine. So I only do this maintenance routine once every time I do braids. So I wear my braids 4 to 5 weeks. Within those 4 to 5 weeks, if I wash my hair 3 times, I will only do this once, and then the other 2 wash days will be regular wash days. So yeah, wear the style. Every time I wear this style, I'll do this maintenance routine 1 time. I hope that made sense, y'all, and that's not confusing. Okay, so I am done detangling and putting the product on my hair, and y'all, come on. I know I keep saying this throughout the video, but come on. Look at the hair. Can you tell that this hair is over a year old? No, you cannot. Why? Because I take care of it. So once I get finished doing all of that, then all I do is just go in with my blow dryer and my diffuser attachment. That's it. I usually blow dry my hair without the diffuser attachment, but because I was doing the upkeep step, I guess you could say, in this particular wash day, I went in with my diffuser because I wanted to set my curls in place. So once I had finished drying my hair, it was about 98% dry, and then I just let it finish drying overnight when I went to sleep. So that's about it for this video. I just wanted to show you that if you had human hair, any type of human hair, crochet hair, bulk hair, if you take care of it, it can last well over a year. So yeah, look at it. It looks good. It looked like it just came out the pack. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, make sure you give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so that you can join my curry crew. And until my next upload, you all enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you in my next video. You all have a perfect week. Bye.